Hey there, friends. So that was something a little different, right? My flow video last month, I got a comment from a viewer asking to have me post a flow video to some metal music because at this point, I think I'm becoming somewhat legendary in the flow world for being really into punk and metal when most people are into EDM. So thank you for the request, and I hope you all enjoyed seeing me kind of getting my flow on to something that's a little bit heavier. Deftones are one of my all-time favorite bands, and it was really fun to get to flow out to them. So thanks for the suggestion. As well as thanks to Ultrapoi for sponsoring this video and making it possible. I was spinning their Vortex poi here and using some post-production trickery to bring out some of those trails. If you would like to get your hands on a set of these poi, you should head on over to ultrapoi.com and use the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O. That will get you a discount on your order, and it helps out the channel, so everybody wins. I also just want to take a quick moment to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Darkma, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. Finally, I just want to say a big thank you to all of my wonderful supporters on Patreon, because they make this video and all the videos on this channel possible. If you would like to sign up to support this work that I do, and I understand if you don't have the means, but if you do, I'd really appreciate it, head on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and sign up. You can sign up to get early access to all of my content, as well as a vote in what topics I tackle in the future. So go check that out, please and thank you, and hope you all are having a really, really lovely day. I'll see you soon. Peace.